I'm sorry I missed your call. I just got outside and now I'm sitting in the car. Man, it's finna rain, so now I'm gonna speed off.
Hi guys.
Text, but you can leave
Come
me a
with
voicemail,
me
and I need to exhale,
today
'cause I've been watching all my numbers
to
climbing up
go
that
have
scale.
some
It's looking
lunch,
like
a
a
late
snail,
lunch with
but
my
patience
mom
is
for
key.
Taco
And there's
Tuesday.
not many like me, 'cause I've
And
been changing my flows.
yeah,
I keep
just come
changing
along with me on
sexuality,
my
so focus
day.
up on my music. You know the
It's
girls what I'm doing.
very late.
I'm
It's
crazy
2
on
o'clock
lucid
already.
music is how I get
So
talk some
first thing
shit
we're gonna
about
do
lyrics, make
is
sure
this
that y'all don't
hair.
forget it. I throw a fit in my lyrics, some shit that y'all can't do better. Do not disturb is the best button I press on my phone, so I can type on my music and they can
Can't do nothing with dry hair, so we're gonna wet it really well. I'm just going for like a little simple laid back look. Not trying to get too dressy.
Every time I drop a song, I got a target I will hit. If I want to top the song, then you know that I will not miss. My friend will listen to my song, he'll bob his head, say I'm the shit, I'm the shit, I'm the shit. Just making sure y'all don't forget the way I move my song around. It looks so clean the way I spit, and when I'm done, I send you a voicemail that says, I'm sorry I missed your call. I just got outside and now I'm sitting in the car, and it's finna rain, so now I'm gonna speed off, and I can answer your text, but you can leave me a voicemail.
Okay, so now that I have it wet, I'm gonna go in with this curl cream by Afro Sheen crown defining curl cream. Just like a big wop of that. Put that all over, and then I'm just gonna take my brush. Detangle all the way through. What are you doing? So next what I'm going to do is, I'm not sure if I want to do like I'm going to do like a different style. I'm going to do a side part. Oh my gosh, girl. I'm just gonna detain a little bit more, cause she is, woo, needs help, honey. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. That was so good. I didn't expect you to do that. You are just getting so smart every day. Oh my god. Okay, how am I gonna do my hair? I kind of want to like bring it down and swoop, like a swoop and a slick back. Part on this side. This is not my part. I gotta get my part. You comb me your hair, Sasha? Or do we want to keep it down? Down? Down or up, Sasha? So I want this to go back like that. And then I want this. Be careful. Go down. Or maybe should close. No. That's right. No. Let's part it like here. Ooh, that was a terrible part. Let's try that again. Part it. Okay. Please don't play with the tissue. You are not blowing your nose. You are not sick. No, you don't have to blow your nose. Well, I'm bringing this like that. Okay. So to slick the actual hair down, we're just gonna twist this out the way. And to slick the rest of the ponytail down, we're gonna use Let's Jam. It's a conditioning and shine gel with extra hold. I found this at Walgreens for like $5. And it works really well for my texture of hair. We're gonna slick all that down in the back. We need a ponytail. Be careful, don't make a mess. Put that back in there. That, I need this. So then I'm gonna take my bristle brush. Wet that a little bit. And just slick it on down. I'm not sure if I'm doing bun or fro just yet though. Look at that.
I thought we was fucking with each other, but you was being a snake under the covers. I can't trust no other niggas but my brothers. You got me fucked up if you thought I heard ya. I can't find my body cause I'm too high.
I think we can go for a high bun. Look at my hair growing. Okay, and then so we have the bun. What is it? It's trash. Trash. And so now, what we're gonna do, gonna take the same gel. My hair is so curly. This is not even slick on my tongue. Put that down. Put that back in the trash. That's trash. Trash. Put it in the trash. We're gonna take that gel, lay it down at the root, and then the edges. Give it to me. Trash. Oh, this is not working how I imagined. Little toddler baby, that is trash. Do not get it out the trash can. No. No. That's right. And then this little rat tail comb. To like smooth it out and like swoop. Goes in like that. And then smooth it out. baby's finger, girl. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Put it down, Sasha. It's trash. All gone. Okay, this is not working how I want it to come out. So, let's see. I mean, it's not bad like this. Something different. Put it back. Put it in the trash. Put it in the trash. Yuck. All done. Trash. All gone. It's empty, see? Trash. Okay, this isn't working how I thought it was gonna work. I don't know what to do. I'm gonna leave it like this. I feel like it looks fine. Sasha, do you like my hair? Look, 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 look. Okay. You made a mess? It's okay, just clean it up. But then I know my hair, like it's gonna shrink, so I'm gonna do like this. Take a bobby pin. Cause it's curling up. Look at that. Let me get another bobby pin. And then I put my hoops on. Need to fix that. Snap. Bless you. Put my glasses on. Let's just style my face real quick. Let's see, some hoops. Got my hair store hoops. Like I said, we're just going to see my mom. Don't need nothing too fancy. She's cute. Yeah. Okay, I'm feeling it. This girl is on me. Alright, y'all. So here is the hair. So now I am going to Target. I have a small pickup order before I go meet my mom.
I just stuck at the bottom, stuck at the bottom. See everything.